Good morning students, class 4, subject moral science. I am your moral science teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here we will discuss according given points of here already written. Now first point is here class test of lesson first. Another second point is remaining question answer of lesson first. Another third point explanation of lesson number 2. So now here already yes given so many pictures. So first picture related is here class test of lesson first. Another second picture related remaining question answer of lesson first, and third is explanation lesson number 2 habit of prayer. So see and observe carefully my dear student. Next, now this is also related from your book. This is page also related from your book contents. Now here written as a lesson number first, and another is lesson number 2. Yes, first is God is everywhere, second is the habit of prayer. So we will discuss according to this. Now here see and observe carefully. Now first of all, previously already given you points is here. See and first of all class test of lesson first as a revision for lesson. So lesson number 1, God is everywhere. See and observe one by one. Next, yes, it is your class test. Okay, my dear students, class test as a revision test, class 4, subject moral science, lesson number 1. Total mark is 20. First question is here, write true or false. Okay, so now here we will discuss. Yes, A, God is present in all human beings. So these are points. God watch when I study or play. Both command now here already. If true, so you will mark it as a true. If the false, you will mark as a false. In front of you will write down in these comments. Another thirds, God cannot see me at night. So it is the right comments. So you will mark it write down in front of true, otherwise will be false. D, God does not understand. It is correct. So if you will write down as a true, otherwise will be false. And the last, God, when I tell a lie, it is the correct. So in front of you, yes, in front of the comment you will write down true, otherwise will be false. Yes, my dear student. So one is the here, one point is another third. Yes, so now here please correct. Now according to here this is second. Okay, now and answer the following. Second questions, answer the following. A, who said we in a presence of God always walk alongside with God. So yes, it is the right. According to you will write down proper answer for this question. Who said? Okay. Another, yes, please correct is here. This is 3. Yes, 3 question. Write 4. Line prayer for lesson number 1 as my God I believe. Okay, and the last line me always. So yes, so now here already see and observe 3 questions for this class test. So you will do carefully. Okay, my dear student, question number 1 10 marks, question number 2 6 marks, and question number 3 4 marks. Total is 20. Okay, so if my dear student see and observe carefully, okay, please remove the one is here. Okay, now here, yes, extra character are here, so please remove. Now see and observe. For class test you will take a small copy for class test and write down given questions in your test copy. Listen my dear student, don't cheat. Okay, after preparation then you will give class test yourself and write down in your copy. Separately you will go now room anywhere in your room, and there you will write down written question and give answer properly, I hope. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, next week I will give next time answer in next video. So please check. Okay, my dear student, that time. So I hope do you understand. Follow the given instruction for class test. Do carefully. Thank you, my dear student. See and observe. Yes. Now, another second points remain question answer. Lesson number first, God is everywhere, because previously shortly given answer. So now test also given very shortly here. So see and observe. Yes, my dear student. Next. Yes, lesson number 1. God is everywhere. Let us find out the answer as it you will write down. What did the third disciple bring? Any gift for the guru? Yes, the answer, the third disciple had not brought any gift for guru because he realized God is everywhere. Question number 2. What do you mean by the statements God is omnipresent? Now as it omnipresent, God is omnipresent mean God is everywhere. So we say God omnipresent as a air around us. Another is complete the following. So as it answer is here, we present of God always walk alongside with God. As it you will write down in your book. See and observe. Now another is question number 4. Yes, my dear students, see and observe. Who said? Please give the answer is here. Okay. So who said we in the yes presence of the God always walk along the side God. Yes. Who's that? Yes, my dear student, see and observe. Answer the following. Yes, answer is here. Tell me. Yes, see and observe. Who? Yes, tell. The answer is yes, Saint. Yes, Chabra. Chabra. As it. See and observe in your book and write down in your book. Okay. And another's. Yes, previously I had given another answer. Yes. See and observe. Let us write true or false. I will revise here. God is present in all human being. Yes. Do you understand? God is present in all human beings. Tell me. Yes. What? True. Okay. God watch when I study or play. True. God cannot see me at night. False. Okay. I will repeat again. Yes. See and observe. Yes. See and observe. God cannot see at me night. Yes. False. God cannot see me at night. False. God does not understand. Or yes. False. God know when I tell a lie. Yes. God know when I tell a lie. True. Okay. See and observe. Check carefully. One by one. My dear student, I will repeat again. According to the answer, see and observe carefully. Okay. Now first is God is present in all human beings. Yes. Tell me. True. God watch when I study to pray. True. God cannot see me at night. False. God does not understand through thought. False. God know when I tell a lie. True. So I hope do you understand according to the given answer. See and observe properly as it write down in your book. Previously I had discussed. So already given previously the answer. See and observe. Next. Okay. And the last, let us pray. Previously I already given. Yes, as a pray you will do properly. Okay. So my God, I believe you are everywhere. I believe you are even around me. Though I do not see you, you see me always. You know my thought, word, and action. Protect me and keep me, O God. See, and you will revise according. Okay. So I hope had done everyone previously given question answer, remain question answer, and more discussion. Yes, as with summary also. Now see and observe. Next. Now it's very important here. Yes, third point, explanation of the lesson number 2, habit of prayer. See and observe carefully. Next. Yes. Now, yes, according to page wise, we will revise now here very clearly. See and observe. Yes, my dear student. Now here, yes, habit of prayer. See and observe. Paragraph wise we will study here. Yes. Now here, according to first paragraph, Priya is the favorite child of her parents and teachers. She is just 8 years old. All the children of her classes like her. She does well in study and in curricular activities as well. When there is no classes, she used to get up early in the morning and go to the temple with her friends to pray. So what is the come out from here? It's mean that who's that? The favorite child, Priya. Priya, yes, is the favorite child of her parent and her teachers. She is just 8 years old. How many year old? 8 year old. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now all the children of a class like her. Yes. All the children of her class like her. Always he now. Okay. Now she is a just 8 year old, my dear student, or everyone more like she does well and study. Yes, okay, for study is very well and in curriculum activity and another type activity very well. She is very well in other type activities for playing purpose, craft also, and so many. When there is no class, she used to get up early in the morning. Okay, in holiday time, ready to very well and get up early in the morning. So and go the temple and with her friends. For which purpose? When yes, with her friends for pray. Go to the temple one day. Another paragraph we will hear. One day when she got up, she felt and now related to stomach pain. Her mother gave some medicine and hot water for drinking. So now my dear student, but there was no effect. The pain did not subside because yes, after taken medicine, she has not well okay and pain will not I hope yes that time what happened? Pain did not, yes, subside. No any relief. was there. So, my dear student, immediately her parent, yes, took her to the hospital. Where? All are? Yes, went to hospital. After the investigations, doctor said she need immediately surgery. What happened that? Yes, doctor told him now this time for surgery. Without surgery will not possible. Yes, well, health. Priya felt very sad. She was very, yes, unhappy. She felt like crying when she thought of her teacher and friends. So what happened that time she was fully upset. Okay, and now and his now and that time her parents also was more unhappy, and mom and papa were waiting at the hospital corridor, and nurse also hospital were busy in preparing Priya for surgery. They gave her two different dresses to wear. That time there, yes, after, yes, that situation was very critical. Their care and concern for her made things easy. The Priya was taken to the operation. Okay, and on, yes, later by the wheelchair. Okay, do you understand? If you see any hospital, there are so many patients will be there. So as that same situation, okay, patient, nurse will take, okay, nurse take there as same situation will be there. So my dear student, I hope do you understand. Priya was taken to the operation theater by the a wheelchair. The doctor said what given information about related to surgery by the doctor. Doctor told to that time, Priya, I am going to give you an injection. So what is the means about? Now before surgery, doctor what did? Now that time doctor give an injection. You may sleep for some time, and when you get up you will be all right. So my, yes, Priya, after, yes, you will be there very well, and you will feel well. Doctor mom has told me to Priya said to doctor what? Doctor mom has told me. Doctor, my mother always given me that information about related to prayer. So if you will sleep, so before that time you will do prayer. Shall I pray? Okay, shall I pray? Doctor, yes, doctor said that you will do. Sure, you can pray, closing her eyes and join her hand. Priya pray. Okay, that time Priya, yes, follow and told him to the, yes, that time inform, yes, to doctor. What? Priya pray, dear Lord, I give you thanks for all that you gave me. Okay, safeguard me when I sleep. Bless my dear parents, teacher and friends. Priya was ready to sleep. So remember that, my dear friends, it is very good nature. If you will do anything, sleeping, playing, working, so before that you will do prayer. So why? Because for yes, well manner. Yes, what the come out the message from? Yes, God support him or otherwise her. What? Safe before this type critical situation. So my dear students, see the here given another paragraph also. Observe carefully in this paragraph. This is very critical situation. That time I have see and observe given pictures. So my dear student, according to this paragraph is very useful for every person. So observe according to this lesson. Yes, the one message is come out from here. Yes, always join your hand and close your eyes and start your prayer for better situation always when so many critical situation in front of you anywhere. So that time you will do well prayer to God. So remember that's always very helpful that time. See that. So now my dear student, according to this lesson, only now one page explanations. So you will do carefully read this lesson, this page. Next time I will discuss another remain pages and question answer also will be discussed in next video. My dear student, see and read here carefully according. So now today only first page, 4 paragraph related. Okay, so you will read properly and observe. Next time I will give another related pages about I will discuss in next video. My dear student, I hope do you understand. In this video please complete previous work and given test paper also, and now reading of the lesson number 2 first page only. So thank you, my dear students. See and observe. Thanks.